Hey everybody and welcome to this video. Today with me is this wonderful woman who is my wife. You might know her from videos like Japan vlogs number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
So every Japan
All
vlog.
the Japan vlogs I assume. And some other videos too, I guess. The reason that she's here she's laughing the whole time.
I'm
You're
drunk.
cute.
No.
She's drunk. She had like a whole Yugo bottle all by herself.
Not true. We're gonna cut that.
Of course.
Good.
The reason that she's here with us today is because we are doing something related to our world trip next year.
So we bought something that we're gonna be using for our world trip, or maybe for the preparations of the world trip.
And we thought that we'll do an unboxing and show you what it will be.
What it is.
No, what it will be. What will it be?
What will it?
What will it be? It's big, well, it's a long box. It's a long dong.
Let me get scissors.
No, you don't need scissors.
Really?
You just have to open this.
Okay. But you're doing all the unboxing.
Okay.
I'm a woman. I want you to do the unboxing.
Which I could do.
Pushing it like that.
I'm not even touching it.
Yes, you are. You're lying.
I was holding it because it moves.
Push. It's like super sticky.
Actually, before we open this, write down in the comments below what you think it could be. Do it before we open it, because else it's cheating.
Okay. Pull.
Pulled pork. Oh, this is huge.
Wow.
Okay.
I got something here too. Oh well. I guess.
Whoop.
You're doing everything. I don't like that. Well, now it's too late.
You have to unroll it.
I don't. Actually, because there is a...
Bye-bye.
Bye, see you later, guys. Woo!
Ta-da! And by the magic of YouTube, it's on the wall, just like that, and there's already a creepy crawly walking on the map. No, actually, I wanted to do a nice, how do you call it? Time lapse of us putting this on. Didn't notice that it wasn't recording, so all for naught. Anyways, this is the world map we have. We will be using it to plan our world trip. The reason that we bought one this big, so that we can actually write stuff on it. Well, write stuff, use, how do you call the things that you stick and you write stuff on?
Post-its.
You can put post-its on it with information like which countries do we need visa for, when is the best place to visit which country, when should I avoid which countries should we avoid altogether. And that will also make it easier to plan our trip, I guess. We plan on visiting all the continents.
We do?
I do, at least. We haven't talked about it yet. You see, for those people who don't know it, you know, there might be some Americans watching it. This is Europe, okay? It's not, America isn't the center of the world. Europe is the center of the world. Well, actually it's Africa. Africa is the center of the world. No, if you look at the map, the Mediterranean is the center of the world. That's why it's called Mediterranean, Middle Earth, or something like that.
Like Tolkien said.
Like Tolkien, Middle Earth. This is Middle Earth. Italy is the center of the world. We are from this tiny place that you won't even see on the map. Somewhere up here. We will be starting our world trip up here. Somewhere.
Well, more like here.
That's because a friend of ours will be marrying in Portugal next July, and we thought, yeah, we'll start it with that. And then we'll probably be moving west, but we don't know yet. And of course this map we will also use to write down our top 10 places that we want to visit. Well, each of us will be writing down 10 top places for sure, and we'll make sure to visit those places, if it's possible.
It's
You
gonna
never
be
know what
difficult.
changes.
It's gonna be difficult.
And yeah, I think that's it for now. Give a big applause to my lovely assistant.
Like I said he talks more than me.
Mrs. Blanco. I mean, she's lovely, although ignore this part. Ignore this part. This is not good.
I'm a proud
Gryffindor.
Proud Slytherin. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.